Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice and that we are not financial advisors. So before investing any of your money, please do your own research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. Why you need at least 300 Theta coins. It's no secret that Theta Coin is making headlines in the cryptocurrency industry. However, you may be unaware of its existence, operation, or intended purpose. Answers to these questions may be found in this article. Streaming's explosive expansion. Online video streaming has been one of the most significant and noticeable advancements of the last decade. More than 1 billion people utilize streaming services, whether it's Netflix, iPlayer, or user-generated content providers like YouTube, regardless of the platform. Pre-recorded videos are very popular, but so is footage of live events. This year's outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic has led to a surge in demand for live-streamed concerts and sports events. There are, however, several cases of poor quality live streaming. When it comes to creating high-quality media, many content producers strive for perfection, yet currently technology can't keep up. People that pay to view a stream and experience poor image quality and buffering may have an issue with this. In 2017, a new mechanism was put into place, at least potentially to make a difference. Virtual reality live streaming technology expert Jiai Long and internet advertising and mobile gaming entrepreneur Mitch Liu have formed a new company together. It was through their collective efforts that the Theta Network was conceived. So how does Theta Network function? Do you know? Let's take a look and find out. Are you curious to know what Theta Network is all about? Both live streaming and the development of blockchain technology have been increasing in popularity at the same time. Simply stated, Theta Network is employing blockchain technology to improve streaming. Commercial Delivery Networks, CDNs, are geographically connected networks of operators that work together to distribute internet video streaming content, most of which is streamed in real time. CDNs, on the other hand, are unable to keep up with the better quality streams because of their geographical limitations. Theta Network is a global community of people that donate their unused bandwidth and other resources in exchange for the ability to watch online films. As a general rule, this indicates that there is more bandwidth available, resulting in better quality streaming and less buffering issues. There are 3 categories of nodes that make up the network. Nodes of the enterprise validation infrastructure. Theta tokens are staked by these firms in order to get access to the network and complete transactions. These include the likes of Google, Samsung, and Sony Europe as of June 2021. Nodes of protection. Transaction blocks presented by enterprise validator nodes are checked by these users. Nodes at the perimeter. Members of the Theta network are rewarded for sharing their bandwidth or retransmitting video feeds via the network. On top of the Theta network's blockchain, developers may construct decentralized applications like royalty distribution and crowdfunding. Content producers that want greater control over their movies, how they are seen, their quality, and how they are compensated for them are increasingly turning to Theta. What is a Theta coin? Besides the Theta coin, there is a Theta blockchain that operates in the background and serves as a means for establishing a consensus process and distributing prizes. These are 2 native currencies on the blockchain. T-Fuel is utilized to give out prizes to the edge nodes. Although Theta coin is the primary reward currency, as of 2019, this feature was available to the public. The business sold 30% of the 1 billion Theta coins it had on hand the year before in a private sale. The Theta coin began to gain traction after this garnered roughly $20 million. Voting rights are staked using Theta coin, which is a token. Transactions are verified using Theta coin. Until 2019, Theta coin's price hovered around the 10-cent level, but things began to change. Starting in May of 2020, it began climbing slowly but steadily, eventually reaching a high of 70 cents in early December. For the first time on December 22nd, it passed $1 and it really began to take off in 2021. On January 5th, it touched $2.13, and on February 14th, it hit $3.19. It was slightly around $3.10 at the end of February, but it really went off in March. At $12.21 on March 31st, it had grown more than 293%. A record high of $15.08 was established on April 16th. There was a significant increase in value from the beginning of 2021 to 3 months later. Even if the price has fallen roughly in half since then, at least in part due to the May 19th, 2021 cryptocurrency meltdown. According to Wallet Investors' forecast, it will be worth $78.97 in 5 years and $20.92 in a year. In June 2022, Digital Coin Price predicts that the price would rise to $13.52 and $31.19 respectively. A good Theta coin review, on the other hand, will review that price projections are often incorrect. The value of the investments might go down as well as up, and you should never invest more money than you can afford to lose in cryptocurrencies. Purchasing at least 300 coins of Theta therefore proved to be significant currently. Imagine buying now and selling at a triple price later on. Buying 300 coins right now will mean you will need about $1,000, but waiting until the price shoots up will mean that you will triple that to $3,000. Play cool. Purchase now, then wait for the prices to shoot up and sell for a triple price. Another reason as to why you need to buy Theta coins currently is the number of coins left in the circulation of the market. People are investing so much in cryptocurrency currently. It will be a scarce commodity which you don't want to miss out on in the future. There are presently 1 billion Theta network coins in circulation, with a total supply of 1 billion coins. Theta network coins have a maximum supply of 1 billion coins. Many experts believe that the value of Theta will increase dramatically over the next few years, but they are unsure of why. The blockchain has a high level of efficiency, averaging under 3 seconds per transaction and processing 1,000 transactions per second. The Theta blockchain is extraordinarily fast and efficient. As a result, it will undoubtedly become more appealing to potential developers. The global video streaming market is increasing incredibly. Global video streaming revenue is predicted to continue to expand at an enormous rate in the future years, with video streaming platforms such as YouTube continuing to place hurdles in the way of content producers, for example, by imposing content rules. The desire for a high-quality video streaming platform that does not impose any restrictions will only grow in the future. In order to close this gap, Theta must be brought in to help. Partnerships with a high level of notoriety. Theta has formed a number of high-known collaborations, all of which have helped to raise the company's visibility in the cryptocurrency industry. The relationship with Google, which marks the search engine giant's first foray into the cryptocurrency space, is the most high-profile of them all. What are the issues that Theta is trying to address? Just as Satoshi Nakamoto predicted that Bitcoin would change financial institutions, Theta believes that its network would change the centralized structure of video streaming, with sites like YouTube often handing content providers skewed deals. The lack of a central institution means that broadcasters may make more money since no one else is taking a cut. Theta, a video delivery network, a VDN, attempts to eliminate the problems of slow loading times and buffering. Theta's objective is to supply the required bandwidth via peer-to-peer transmission when new technologies like 4K, 8K, and virtual reality gain popularity. It is envisioned that the video streaming companies would be able to save on infrastructure expenses and enhance their advertising earnings in addition to providing better streaming for their consumers. By paying content creators directly with the tokens, Theta users may also generate an extra source of revenue for content producers. So what's the bottom line? Since January of this year, Theta has seen tremendous development. While such high levels of growth are undoubtedly unsustainable in the long run, the evidence points to Theta continuing on an upward trajectory in the near future. Of course, there is a measure of risk associated with any investment, as there is with any investment. Always invest just what you can afford to lose in order to avoid financial ruin. There are still external variables that might have an impact on the price, such as the scenario surrounding the COVID-19 issue that affected the cryptocurrency markets in March 2022. However, we believe that Theta has the potential to be a fantastic long-term investment. It remains to be seen if the sky really is the limit in this case, but the idea clearly has a lot going for it, and in this terms, it is a very positive aspect that we see. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then please be sure to leave us a big like and a subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We will see you all in our next videos. Until then, thank you for watching.